Hi guys, it's SweetTooth967 bringing you another product description. Thanks very much for coming along to my channel, really do appreciate it. Today we're looking at Sainsburys Home Christmas Cinnamon and Clove Diffuser and Reeds, and it's a 900ml bottle. They've done this in a classic Christmas way and it looks really good. Firstly we'll do the unboxing. First, just pops out. Now the reeds are actually in this compartment here, so I'll try and pop them out one after the other. Right, I think there's about 10 in all, so another one. It's like pasta parcel. There's about 10 in all. Yeah, that's it. So upwards and onwards. I've got a tape measure here to show you the size of it. So it's about 3 inches by 3. It's a really dinky little bottle. So, and what I like about it is it's got these little Christmas bells on, and it says there, "Season to be jolly." Cool. Now you got to remember, guys, with this is you mustn't put it on any wooden surfaces because it will actually strip the what would they call it? It'll actually strip the plastic on there. So now I've just got to get into the actual plastic around it. There we go. Obviously they do this for a reason, because when they're transporting it, it is oil. Another tip as well, don't get any of this on your carpet. Oh god, that smells gorgeous. Right, so I'm going to pop them in there. Simple as that. Cool. And then of course what you do is you just flip them over like so. Then you just turn them over again so that both tips are covered in this Christmas scent. And it absolutely smells lovely. Put anywhere. I recommend the kitchen, hall or bathroom. And I think that'll adorn any room in the house, and it looks really, really good. I love these bells on it. It's like cool. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Why not subscribe, hit that like, hit that button up there, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.